people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much and welcome back. You guys, on this channel I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. If you like any of those things, or perhaps you're like me and you too like all things fabulous, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. I would hate for you to miss a video over here, so go ahead and press the bell. It will notify you every single time a video, a post, something major, or just happening on this channel. You will get the alert. Okay, I can't contain myself. You guys, we are talking about my favorite. We are talking about my favorite. Yes, Chanel is absolutely my favorite. Favorite fragrance house, favorite brand, favorite everything. Handbags, shoes, fashion, jewelry, place to shop, place to go, thing to talk about is Chanel. I absolutely love Chanel, and I'm super excited to be sharing with you the new fragrance release from 2020, Le Lion. You guys, I have this fragrance right when it first came out, okay? If you follow me on Instagram, and if you're not, make sure you come over, say hi, pull up, let's connect. I got the fragrance when it first came out. MJ is my client advisor. He's in Fashion Island at a boutique, the Chanel boutique there, and he is absolutely phenomenal. He is an amazing guy. He is so nice. He has great customer service. If you guys are interested or need some help from anything from Chanel Boutique, let me know. I will gladly get his contact information over to you. I am just so excited. I received a call that a new fragrance was coming out. I talked to Keitra here. I talked to Angela here. I talked to Abby here. I talked to so many of my YouTube friends about this fragrance before it even came out. And you guys, I am here to give you the good on the good. Okay, so I just want to get a thumbnail, so hold up a second. Back to it. Okay, so as I stated, you guys, I have the fragrance when it first came out. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know I received this beautiful little sample here of the fragrance. It came out. I don't even want to open it. I don't even want to mess it up. It has a beautiful little Chanel emblem on the back. I love Chanel. I am not a fragrance collector. However, anything of Chanel, I am a collector. And so this will be staying in my collection. I have a little sample in here. So I went in to visit the store. Like I said, I went to Fashion Island. I met with my client advisor. His name is MJ over there. He was telling me all about the fragrance. Once I received the sample, I sprayed it on. The first initial spray, you guys, I was like, what in the world? What in the world? It was so hot. It was so, I was taken aback. I was like, have I smelled this before? What is this? I just couldn't compartmentalize it. It was very, what in the world? You know what I mean? But as it simmered down on my body, and I oftentimes tell you guys that the magic happens on a lot of fragrances in the dry down. Let me give you a few of the notes and then we're gonna talk. It has bergamot, lemon, amber, patchouli, Madagascar, vanilla, sandalwood, and musk. And I'm just like, what? So I wrote down, you always know whenever I get a fragrance, I always spray it and then I get my note card because I want to write exactly what I felt in that moment of me spraying it. And right upon me spraying it, the first thing that came to my mind was hot, fire. Like, oh, it really is like a lion. It roars. It's like, ah, that's what the fragrance gives you guys. It roars like a lion, in my opinion. And I want to stress my opinion. It is such an amazing, good fragrance. However, I have to say this. It is not blind buy worthy. It is not for the faint of heart. It is definitely not going to be for everybody. It is doing the most. It is doing a lot. It can come across like, what? And then at the same time, you're like, oh, but you have to be willing to go there and wait for the magic to happen. If you know you want to get a sample and do that, because right upon initial spray, it wasn't a love at first sniff. Now for me, I am a huge Chanel lover. Chanel, you know what I mean? It came out, it has a whole Leo tied to it. She's a Leo, I'm a Leo. She was born in August 1883. That is the same day of my wedding anniversary. Her birthday is also August. That's my birthday. So I just feel connected to her. I told you guys I went to Paris. I told you I went to the Ritz-Carlton where she stayed. I went up to the flagship store. I went to look at her window. I mean, okay, we can go on and on and on. So I have just a love that I wanted to have it in my collection. I had to have it. But the good thing for me is I really like it because I love a hot, spicy, leather, birch, smoky, fiery type of fragrance. And me being the Leo sign, I'm fiery anyway. Hear me roar, you know what I mean? So it just went. Yes, you guys, I did pick up a full-size bottle from the Les exclusive line. I'm just so excited to talk about it. Here it is. Let me turn it on the side for you. So here it is. I went with a 2.5 fluid ounce. I went with the 75 ml 2.5 fluid ounce here. It's really good. I knew I didn't need a big one. You know, I'm not huge on buying big fragrances anyway, only because of the simple fact that I have so many, but I definitely wanted to have this and add this in my collection. Let's take the first spray together. I just opened this. The only thing I did was take the plastic off. I waited for you guys. I put it under my Christmas tree. I wanted to wait, and then I wanted to come and give you a full review, but I have been playing with this ever since it's come out, and it is really good, and I love it, and that is why she bought it. So let's go ahead and take the spray together. If you didn't know, the Les exclusive line, you guys, they have a variety of different fragrances. I'm going to do all of the ones that I have in my collection coming soon, but I am waiting for 2 more fragrances, and I'm currently on a no buy, so we don't know where that's at. Anyhow, closure is magnetic. I love the classic simplicity when it comes to the bottle. It is Chanel. It does not need to do the most. It does not need to do a whole lot. The name alone is saying how I feel about it and what it is. Anyways, let's take a spray. I get so excited, you guys. I get so excited talking about Chanel. Certain things just make me really excited, and this is one of them, okay? Oh, that's the last time you'll see me spray that on paper. Oh my gosh. For me, it's good. I had to have this. I'm so excited that I have it, you guys. It's good, it's rich, it's classy, it's sophisticated. You know what I say about Chanel. It is in a caliber all of its own. Every time I wear Chanel, I just feel like I elevated to the next level. I feel like I am that boss, I am that woman, I have arrived. This is a unisex fragrance. I'm gonna say it, you can say it with me. A man, a woman, a boy, a child, a human can rock this fragrance. Just pull up. It is good. This is perfect for this type of year. This is perfect for cold weather. If you live somewhere like Chicago, New York, anywhere where it's really cold and it's really windy, you put this on a brisk night with a nice shawl and a cape coat and maybe a top hat. Oh my gosh, some nice heels or some boots. It goes good with the leather. I can see an all leather outfit with this. I can see a full leather, a cashmere sweater, a brim hat. You guys, okay, this is what this is giving me just in the moments of you seeing me spraying it. It is good. It transported me. It sent me someplace. It made me think of fine dining, restaurants, lounges. You know how you go in those beautiful like old hotels, like old Hollywood, and they had like the dark wood and the dark furniture, and you would go in and it was kind of leather, and you would sit down and somebody would be playing like music, like jazz, or I don't know what their kind of music they're playing, okay guys, but they're playing something. It's a whole vibe. This fragrance, I am getting a whole vibe from this fragrance, and I love it. It is good. This is definitely about to be my scent of the day. I just did another video, but I really didn't want to spray those fragrances on me because I knew I was going to do this one, and this is what I want my scent of the day to be, you guys. I cannot stress it enough. I don't know what more I can say. It is a beautiful fragrance. The perfumer, I believe, is Rouge. He is the one that created this. They wanted this fragrance to be not so much about the lion itself, but what Chanel was, her strength, her fiery, her determination, her just zeal for life, not taking no for an answer, not settling, not, you know, compromising, but, you know, pushing the door down and doing what she wanted to do and just making a different way than what was already being there. And that is another reason why I particularly really love Chanel, the woman who I never met, whatever, but and the brand is because I love what it stands for too. That is me. I'm very fiery. I don't settle. I don't take no for an answer. If you tell me that the door is locked or closed, I'll find another way. I will get what I want. I am determined. That is just who I am. So it just resonated with me, and I just felt like, oh my gosh, I have got to have this. This is so me. So more than the fragrance just talking about the lion and the roar and everything like that, the fragrance is also just talking about the charm, the strength. You know, it's just very luxury. It just makes you feel luxurious. So those are all the things that it made me feel. I absolutely love it. If you have any questions on it, I'm going to continue to play with this. Like I said, it is a beast. Sillage is there, projection is there, it fills the room. You're definitely gonna walk back in an hour after you've walked out, and I can still smell it when I go back in my boudoir. I can still smell it in there. Late at night when I had it on, if I were to turn over and move my arm, I still got a whiff of it, and it was good. It settles down, so don't be afraid if you get a sample and you spray it and you're like, oh my gosh, that's a lot. It does come at you like a burst. Like I said, I just thought fire, roar. But as it settles down, as it simmers into the body, it becomes one. And I'm going to say it, you already know, it engulfs itself into the body and it emerges itself. And if that's your type of personality and that's your caliber of man, woman that you are going to take this fragrance and you are going to own it. It excited me. I was just like, whoa, okay, I wasn't expecting this, Chanel, but okay. I believe it is I heard some people say it was a Middle Eastern fragrance. I don't know all about that part, you guys. All I can give to you is what the fragrance gave to me, and this is what it gave to me. I also want to share with you really quickly the nail polishes that I'm wearing, because a lot of you are asking about them. You guys, I picked these up from the Chanel Boutique 2 as well. This is their holiday, I believe these were their holiday nail polishes. I'm gonna leave them in the description box below. One is Rouge 528 and the other one is 773. So I'm gonna leave those down. And then I also picked up this lippy here, which is Rouge Cocoa Gloss 119. I had one before. I really love it. It's very nice. It just looks kind of like classy. You know, I'm in the whole classy mood, you guys, today. Can you tell by the whole the ensemble that I'm giving you today? I'm just in the classy vibe. This is my whole experience at Chanel. I got tons and tons of more samples, so I'm super excited to play with those. I feel like I'm yelling at you guys. I'm super sorry. I am just extremely excited. That's what Chanel does to me. I'm sure we all have something that really excites us, and this is the one thing that really excites me, among a whole lot of other things. But I'm just saying, this one here, it really excites me. I appreciate you guys taking the time to stop by my channel. If this is your first time and you are liking the vibe, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. If you too are a huge Chanel lover. Now see, this is what I would love to know. If you too are a huge Chanel lover, let me know. Hashtag in the comments section, Chanel lover. You can do something quick and just put a red heart, because I like to know the other Chanel lovers that are out there as well. Have you smelled the fragrance? What are your thoughts on it? Did you like it? Did you pick it up? What are you thinking? Is there a new Chanel fragrance on your list that you're wanting to try? Another favorite of mine that I always talk about on the channel is Coco Noir, of course Coco Mademoiselle, of course Coco Mademoiselle Le Privé, the sleep fragrance or the nighttime bed scent fragrance. I can go on and on when it comes to Chanel, you guys. I have recently gotten to their skincare, and oh my gosh, I'm coming to you with a whole video on skincare. I am playing with it now. It's been about 2 weeks. I will tell you the honest truth. I have been using it for probably a week, maybe 4 days at best, and my guy was already like, what are you doing different to your skin? It's real. When the guy notices, it's real. So until next time, you guys, this video has been all over the place because I just can't get my thoughts out fast enough, because I'm just super excited, because it just has that effect on me. But I will be back to give you so much more information about the skincare. Let me know your thoughts on the fragrances. Hashtag in the comments section if you are a Chanel lover. And I will see you beautiful souls in the next video. Until next time, guys, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, stay fabulous, but more importantly, wear your mask and stay safe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.